Hello friends! If you're interested in learning Java, I have some great news for you. This course currently has 289,418 students and has earned a 4.5-star rating, making it an excellent course. The current price of this course is €11.99 with a 40% discount, but I want you to grab this course at an exclusive discounted price. However, this discount is limited, so make sure to stay with me until the end of the video. In this course, you will learn the following topics. You will understand the best practices in writing high-quality Java code. You will learn advanced object-oriented programming concepts such as abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism, and many other topics. The duration of the course is 45.5 hours, and a certificate will be provided to you upon completion of the course. I want to offer this course to you for free so that you can access all parts of it legally and at no cost, and even receive a certificate upon completion. Simply open your browser, and in the Google search engine or any other search engine you use, search for gotodiscounts.com. In the results displayed, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here. After clicking on the link, you will be directed to the main page of gotodiscounts.com. On this page, you can see the latest courses offered by Udemy with discount coupons, including our desired course, as you can see here. To access the discount coupon for this course, simply click on this link. The course page will open for you, and you can also view the course details there. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to check the expiration date. To access the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to access this course for free through the website GoToDiscounts, and now I am getting it 100% free. Please note that there are only 2 days left for the discount. If you're interested in enrolling in other Udemy courses, you can also explore other sections of the gotodiscounts.com website to access them for free and legally. Browse through various categories. You can also go to the All Discounts section and perform your desired search to find the course you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends so they, too, can access such free learning opportunities. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Have a great day.